See what's kind of going on there. It's making some scratches, but yeah, that is just awful. Yeah, it would suck to sharpen any knife on this, not just Maxamet. So now we're gonna raise the angle to get all those chips out. This stone really doesn't have any cutting power whatsoever. It doesn't even sound like it's cutting, it's just sliding on the surface of the stone. But let's at least get some chips out on both sides there. Making big burrs until we get that chip down. Yeah, it looks like this stone is actually, since this stone is so shitty, it actually looks like I've actually chipped off a piece of the blade there. So you see that, actually it looks like I've been able to replicate the problem that people have been having. This is actually a piece, I believe that's actually a piece of the edge that came off here using this Hrrmmmmmmmm stone. So I'm not sure if we can pick that guy up. We'll set that on a piece of paper. I don't think I was able to pick that up. But yeah, there was actually a piece of edge that came off right there using this little Hrrmmmmmm stone. Look at that. Just there at the tip, I believe. Oh, there it is. Not sure if you guys can see that. See if we can pick that guy up. There, it looks just like a little hair, actually, right there. That just looks like a piece of hair. But that came off this Maxamet blade while I was trying to sharpen it on this shit stone. So yeah, I mean, we're learning right now. We're learning that you can't get away with a shitty stone if you're going to sharpen a Maxamet knife. Holy snow, on that side just sucks. Balls. So we'll just go ahead and grab this. Yeah, that feels much better. Look at that. It's funny, I mean, I don't experience that when I'm actually sharpening on a good stone. If I'm sharpening on a shit stone, then yeah, it looks like I get some problems with Maxamet. Get some water on there, let's use some lighter pressure. Oh, whoa, I got another piece. Got some chunkers missing, dude. I've got like a chunk here and here, kind of missing off my stone. It's like, come on, I paid $6 for this stone, man. Come on, man. I got here. Let's just clean this up a bit, and you know what, dudes? I'm freaking done. I'm done sharpening on this shitty stone. I won't do it. I refuse. See what kind of shitto edge I have on here. It's so funny too, because it was like, it looks good, it looks styling, huh? It's like, oh shit. But yeah, this edge sucks. An issue with sharpening Maxamet on this cheapo stone. The problem is, if you look close right there, there's actually a little chunker missing on the edge right there. And I've actually had that problem up over here as well, but I've since sharpened it out. You can see I continued sharpening on the shit China stone, and up close right there, I took some chunkers out just sharpening on this stone. Last video I showed you guys I had the chunker missing right there. You can kind of see that. There we go. And so I was trying to clean that out, and I kept sharpening, and we've got a little chunker missing right there now too. So yeah, you can't sharpen Maxamet on a shitty cheap alumina oxide stone. Again, this stone was only $5.95. Oh yeah, what a deal. But if you're going to be sharpening Maxamet, you just can't sharpen Maxamet on a shitty stone. So lesson learned. There we go. Alright, so yeah guys, the conclusion on the China stone, this $5.95 stone and sharpening Maxamet. It'll grind the edge, but what happens is as you start to try to finish it, you're going to start getting chipping issues with sharpening on this stone. Upgrade those stones for sure. Yeah, oof, that is just horrible. I hate it. I refuse. Go on strike. I'm not doing that shit.